I'm Sherry Berry, the owner of Arizona Fashion Source, which is a unique on-demand apparel manufacturer. I started Arizona Fashion Source as a way to fill a need, and that started when I decided to finally, after spending 17 years in retail, do what I really wanted to do with my life, which was start a fashion brand. And in my journey to start my brand, I came across the unbelievable obstacles there are for new designers in figuring out how to get their clothes designed, developed, and manufactured. And I really felt that if it was this difficult for me, it had to be really hard for a lot of other people, and I wanted to solve the problem. Arizona Fashion Source is here to provide what I consider apparel manufacturing for the 21st century, which is micro-manufacturing that is on demand. So instead of making a whole bunch and hoping they'll sell, our company and manufacturer is designed to, when a designer sells one, then we make it.
With the technology that Sherry has invested in, and including your printer, we have a micro team of people that are doing what used to take 50 people to do. So, and not to mention hours and days, let alone months, that it used to be the lead time. So it's fantastic.
You know, I feel I have this amazing opportunity, like a kid in a candy store, to be able to leverage the software for pattern making and marker making and 3D modeling to work how prints will incorporate into silhouettes, and then to see the speed with which the product is sewn and cut and the minimal waste that happens. That is so important.
With this new technology, we're able to get in there and totally redesign how the pattern looks, how the print looks on the figure, on the individual piece, which, I mean, just thinking about that task, it feels daunting, but with this new technology, I'm able to go in there and really fine-tune each individual piece and how that print looks on each one.
In our quest to come up with a solution that would help our emerging digitally native designers be able to manufacture sustainably, which is on demand. It really took a huge collaboration and village of people who believed in what we were trying to do, who had our passion in helping our designers in our community.